Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and many students who take Ielts test, they come up with a common problem, and the problem is actually for essay writing, they don't have ideas. They just tell me, sir, for essay writing, we don't have ideas. If they give us topic on crime, we are not criminals, so we have no idea about that. If the essay topic is about marriage, we are not married, so we don't know how to write essay on that. If the essay topic is children, we don't have any babies. Yeah, once a person went to the doctor and said, doctor, I don't have any kids. The doctor said, how long have you been married? And he said, I'm not married, I'm single. All right, anyways, so students come up with the problem. Where there is the problem, there is a solution, and Asad Yaqub is holding that solution for you. The solution is this wonderful book of 200 plus words, which will give you ideas on all Ielts essay types. Number one. Number two, expected topics. There will be information about those expected topics as well. So you can get this handout from me. This book actually, you can print it. But this time I'm not going to share this book here. In order to get the book, there is a link in the description of my Telegram. All you need to do, just subscribe me on Telegram. Join my Asad Yaqub Ielts Masterclass on Telegram, and there I'm going to share this book. You can easily download from there. You can print it out, and after that you will have a lot of ideas about children, even if you have no children. You will have lot of ideas about marriage, even if you are not married. So these ideas will help you when you have babies in future, when you have wife in future, right? No wife, no, then happy wife, happy life, and something like that, okay? So you'll get all these ideas. So don't be sad, join me on Telegram. I have got a group, and not only this, I share handouts regularly. I share short video clips on Ielts regularly. Okay, so join me there and you can get this handout. All the best, guys. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. I teach Ielts online and on campus. On campus in Lahore. If you can come to Lahore to attend my Ielts classes, this is my Ielts classroom. You can join me here. Otherwise, online all over the world, I teach Ielts. All the best. See you in my Telegram group, and there I'm going to share this valuable resource with you. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.